guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to the channel and video number 3 out of the 20,000 playlistios. I'm going to put them arms and the chairs back up because this one's going to be fun. Because it is Lorna Shore with Death Portrait. Full disclosure, you guys requested this. I've heard this song. It's fucking insane. But you requested it, guys. Gonna do it. Gonna put it on the channel. 20k celebration. You guys asked for it. Don't be sitting there behind your keyboards like, but you fucking heard it, so it's not a fucking reaction, is it? It's a fucking... Whatever you do with your keyboards. People have asked for it. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, phones ahead. Ha. Here we go. This is fun. This is a fun song. This is a fun song. Fuck off, adverts. Just wait till the end, it's fucking amazing. It just gets better! You've really heard nothing yet. This is the beauty of this song. CJ is a beautiful man. So fucking good, man. Ah, I love that song. I fucking love that song. And that band, you're just dickheads for kicking him out because he did nothing wrong. I don't care. I said it. He proved himself. Man's innocent. Reinstate him. I need more in my life. Oh, Lorna Shore, Death Portrait. It's fucking glorious. Just is. I will never be as talented as that man. Ever. Anyway, there we go. Video number 3. Lorna Shore, Death Portrait. It's so tasty. It's so goddamn deliciously tasty. So yeah, I will see you all on the next video. Off to film video number 4. Seriously regretting this decision right now. Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Woohoo!